If you're tired of YouTube Shorts taking over your YouTube homepage, there's a clever way to remove most of them without installing a separate extension. Zen Browser's Boost feature lets you customize individual websites, and with its Zap tool, you can hide specific parts of YouTube that you don't want to see. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Zen Boost to remove most YouTube Shorts from the desktop version of YouTube. This isn't a perfect permanent shorts blocker, but with a little fine-tuning, it can make YouTube feel much cleaner. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in Zen Browser. We're going to create or open a boost for YouTube. After clicking on this icon, find the paintbrush icon. Zap lets you remove individual elements directly from a web page without having to know any code. Let's start with one of the most obvious Shorts elements. At the top left area of YouTube, you'll usually find the Shorts button in the navigation menu. Activate Zap, then click the Shorts button. Zen will remove that element from the page. That's already useful because it gets rid of one of the easiest ways to accidentally end up in the Shorts section. But there are still Shorts scattered throughout the home feed, so let's remove those as well. Go back to the YouTube homepage and look for a section containing Shorts. Activate Zap again and select the entire Shorts section. Zen will hide that section from your home page. Depending on the current YouTube layout, you may have to repeat this a few times. Even on the same elements, YouTube frequently changes its interface, and different Shorts sections can appear in different places. There's also a faster option you can try to see if it works better for you. That's called Zap All Related Elements. Click on it. As you drag from left to right, Zen lets you select a larger area of elements that this can remove all at once instead of you clicking Zap multiple times to do the same thing. Just be careful because selecting too large an area can remove content you actually wanted to keep. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Use the Unzap option to restore elements you've previously hidden. You can then select the specific element you actually want to remove instead. This makes it much easier to fine-tune your boost without having to start over. Another useful trick is searching for Shorts-related elements. Depending on the YouTube layout, you may find additional Shorts sections lower down the home page or in other parts of the website. Look for text or elements related to Shorts, select them with Zap, and remove them as needed. You may have to repeat this process because YouTube can display Shorts in several different locations. And this is where it's important to set expectations. Using a Zen Boost is not an absolute perfect solution for removing every single short from YouTube. Even if you remove many sections, there might be a random playlist that has Shorts. YouTube controls its own constantly changing interface, so new layouts or Shorts placements can appear later. Think of this as a customizable cleanup rather than a guaranteed Shorts blocker. The advantage is that you can keep improving it. If you notice a new Shorts section appearing, simply open your YouTube Boost again and zap that element too. You can also turn the boost off whenever you want. So if you ever decide you want the normal YouTube layout back for any reason, you don't need to undo every change individually. Just disable the boost with a single click, or delete any boost template by clicking on the arrow on the right. After that, click on the boost's name and in the drop-down menu, click Delete. Because boosts are customizable, you can build your own version of YouTube. Maybe you want to remove every Shorts section possible. Maybe you only want to remove the Shorts button because that way you don't click on it and you save time. Or perhaps you want to hide other distracting elements. The choice is completely up to you. Once you're happy with the result, your YouTube homepage should contain far fewer Shorts and feel much more focused. This can be especially useful if you're trying to use YouTube mainly for longer videos, tutorials, education, or focused research rather than endless short-form scrolling. And if YouTube changes its layout in the future, you can simply return to the boost and fine-tune it again. That flexibility is really the main advantage of using Zen Boost for this. You aren't locked into someone else's extension or a fixed configuration. You control which parts of the website stay and which ones disappear. Thanks for watching.